Hi friends, welcome back to the SKCAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. The base dimension is 105, 170, height is 24 mm. Friends, I am requesting you to all, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select plane, select line, create one rough sketch. Create center line also. Select symmetric. Give the dimension. Overall length is 105. This is 80. This is 50. Height is 24. This is 12 mm. This is 24. This is 10. You can see the dimensions. Okay, select horizontal constraint. That's it, fully constrained. Finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction. So length we required 170 mm. Select this surface, sketch. Outer diameter is 62, inner diameter is 32. Height from the base is 62 mm. Select circle, create two circles, 62, 32. Here to here, 62. Give the dimension from the side, 31. Select line, select trim, finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction. Here select up to surface. Next one rib is there, thickness is 12 mm, center of the object. Select mid plane, select line, give the constraint tangent, finish sketch, select rib, thickness we want 12 mm. Okay. So that's it, friends. Assign the material here, generic, select which material you want. I will go with mild steel. In the mild steel we can assign finishes here, so I will go with steel blue. If you want, you can change. So that's it, friend, today's session. Save the part. Friends, I am requesting once again, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this video, friends.